Hi everyone, I'm Saleha, and this
Hello.
is Friday Night Adda on the Rocks. And joining me are my cousins from states, from Delhi and from Kolkata. Hi Kali, Rupali,
Hi.
Mondira.
Hello.
And as Rupali said to me, I never see her when I go to Delhi, but at least we get to meet
Oh,
virtually, right, Rupali?
But we still feel close. We've had many good times in your
We did.
house. We have met, and my daughter is friends with your daughter, at least on Facebook.
Yes. And we've grown up together.
mm-hmm.
And as Kali says, we are kissing cousins, right, Kali?
Right.
You might as well explain what kissing cousins means.
Kissing cousin means that we are not really related. We are relation cousins of cousins, but it's not third cousins. And Marbari Babarbari, right? And so your Marbari is my ma. It's a long story, but all I know is Parumashi, Ramamashi, and my mom are about the same age, and they were dating, and they would go to the movies together with their boyfriend. Did you know that?
Okay.
Did you know that?
No, I didn't. Okay. This is okay. Runumashi was a bit younger. So
Yeah.
Runumashi is Mohita's
Right.
mother-in-law was.
So,
So,
so
I have seen Babla Mama's house, Rama Mashi.
mhm.
you saw, okay. So, so tell
Meeting.
me more. So they were dating and they would go for movies together.
Yes,
এটা জানতাম না. This is
because বাবুজি আসতো রুনু মাসিকে পড়াতে. Hmm.
okay.
And that's how they got to know each other. But also, Nabuddipe, because my father is not from Kolkata, Nabudip থেকে ওর নামটা কি Ma used to come for her summer vacation to Nabudip because that's where her Jatha's house was. And that's how she met Babuji when they were 16.
Okay,
So they
okay.
were childhood sweethearts.
Wow.
My
Rupali,
memories of Kamashi, yeah. Tomar Ma, I met her many, many times, and I remember once she cooked luchi and mangsho with aloo, and they were out of the world. Parumashir Barite. Both
they also
Parumashi,
went and stayed with you, didn't they, in Hanuman Road?
Mhm.
yes, yes. And but পারুমাসির বাড়িতে আমরা মাংস আর লুচি রমা মাসির হাতে রান্না খেয়েছি আজ পর্যন্ত রুহি that taste it is a memory, right? It's a memory. It gets here. It still lingers and বড় বড় আলু দিয়ে. So I mean, I always thought the whole clan, Parumashi, Ramamashi, other than I don't know, Runumashi probably became a better cook, but I've always
Better. Mondira's
Minamashi
taken over.
and Minamashi.
these sisters were amazing cooks, and I wish one can get Ramamashi's, Parumashi's, Minamashi's recipes and put together a Bhaduri Gushti cuisine.
Mondira can do that.
Mhm.
I'll
Yeah, I
share
can do
Ma's
that. I love
recipe.
to do that. I love to do that.
Let's do
Monday,
that.
তুই তো করছিস already. তুই রুনু মাসির অনেক রান্না জানিস, টিমুর কাজ, পুটুর কাছ
Yeah,
থেকে
because
কালিকে
I have started a cuisine on lost recipes.
What?
Mainly focusing on lost recipes.
Lost
Okay,
recipes of
and mainly lost recipes of Bengal, Eastern region, from Bangladesh. Because Ma had a lot of I knew from Ma and Shonai that Maer Maima.
Mhm.
আচ্ছা
হ্যাঁ প্রচুর প্রচুর রেসিপিস যেগুলো এখানে লোকজন খায়নি কখনো ইউ
Shonai
নো
was
wow.
Parumashi, right?
সোনাই বলে যে
সোনাই হচ্ছে পারমাসির বড় যা
Oh, I
oh
see. I see.
ওকে
oh
You
yes
know
yes
that.
I know who it is. Yeah, yes, I think I've met her.
So
I
you know
think I
that.
have.
You know that. কি বলে Parumashi married her mommy's brother.
Brother. Yes.
ইয়েস ইয়েস
No, yeah.
And I don't know, Ruhi, if you knew that, Babu and I were pen pals for a while.
Yes, Babu told me that.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
You know, Ruhi, I want to tell you, our childhood Adda is incomplete without Budu Babu and his two pennies, Shuku Babu and his amazing wit, and Dushtu without his Badmaishi. So I mean, impossible to, and Kali with Dushtu ganging up and doing bizarre things. And
Exactly, exactly.
I was the most beautiful soft child till I grew up. Kali and those two were famously infamous, okay? And Babu and Shuku হচ্ছে মিচকে বদমাইশ সেই জন্য I have written he
I
was
wish
that
they had joined, yes.
and you know what he told me the other day when he came over I like কিরে কিছু exercise এখানে আমরা কিন্তু ওয়েটের কথা বলবো না কেন কি Orpita started talking কি আমি শুধু মানে ও শুধু physical. Ifsha says, I only speak when spoken to. And Shuku says, you know, I open my eyes and that's a big exercise in the morning.
I should tell Parul this then.
তারপরে আমি চাটা মুখে তুলি. That's a big exercise. He says, I go to sleep happy and I'm very blessed. I wake up happy. I don't care anything else. It is, you can do your exercise and die. I will live, enjoy, and die.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And he says, if I am happy, I will die happy. It was, you know, it in a sum he tried to tell that, which is very important, this part.
Yes.
He could be doing this, but this part is pretty screwed up. All dealer. So nothing happens.
So, Kali, what's happening with you now? What are you doing? Tell our viewers what you're doing.
What am I going through? So I left India when I was 24, and a lot of my cousins are here. So I have more cousins here than anywhere else, as you know. And when the only reason I left India was because I wanted to travel. And so I came here and I traveled a lot because there's lots of opportunities here, you know, to travel. So I've done that a lot. And then, of course, finished my PhD along the way and got a position, and then left that when 1950. And then I teach now in a 2-year college, which is very, very challenging, but I love it. Very rewarding. And as Rupali was saying in the beginning of the conversation, that this COVID time has opened a different platform for us to interact. And so now I'm teaching all ORT, which is online real time. So I communicate with my students online, and I'm hoping that in the fall I will start teaching face to face in the summertime, because I live in a very cold weather area of the US. In the summertime, I grow all my vegetables and then I can them.
Yes,
And so
I see those vegetables.
Yes.
I've started a veggie patch. You are my inspiration.
Oh, awesome! And
দুটো লঙ্কার ফুল হয়েছে, দুটো টমেটোর ফুল হয়েছে. I'm very thrilled.
it is very thrilling. It is very thrilling. It is, you know, we had kids that grow up, but now I have plant babies and I love them. So that's where I am.
Rupali, a most gorgeous cousin.
I think we are all wonderful people from inside. Ruhi, actually, I had a very interesting life, very significantly meaningful life, and very adventurous life. I don't want to get into detail whether just life as a journey was very adventurous, and it took me to many times to the edge of death and come back. So it has made me appreciate life even more. So as I was growing up, I didn't actually know about my potential, because major part of my life, I mean, the very beginning years were not really spent normally. I was afflicted and came out of it as one of the miracles in the world, as at least at that time. Today, with this fresh new life, twice or thrice over, I quit smoking completely 4 years back. I loved always. I had a slight, very Indian, had a slight Western orientation. And that's why my daughter's name was, I think, somewhere in my past life, I was French. So I joined French classes, did French theater. My father was very unhappy about it, and I was stopping the class, and they wanted me to sponsor to go to France. My father made sure no. I was offered modeling films. My father said no, and I'm so grateful for that. He felt I did have a better creative skills or something. He introduced me to advertising, and I'm forever grateful. And then I did later years of my life, after, let's say, in the last 10 years, I took to dancing, kizomba, salsa, and all. I had more, my music sense was more Western, so I could do that. And then COVID times, I had to leave. Then I passionately loved lifestyle and upcycling products. So I love my home as a museum. And I'm a passionate, I will sell my house to buy teapots and kettles. So I have 350 plus teapots and kettles.
Oh,
I
And
have, do you know how many I have right now in my house?
thanks to
At least
Rupali.
20 that I have to
No.
take to India.
Yeah, I'll bring it or she will bring little. So Kali has played a very, let me tell you, out of all the people, a very major role in my collection. And anybody who asks me, what should I give you? I once a friend going to London, very interesting story, I'll take it. I said, मेरे लिए kettle ले आना. She said, kettle? What do you mean by kettle? I said, हाँ एक kettle ले आना, पर वो potter's kettle होना चाहिए, teapot and kettle. She said, okay, और कुछ मांग. उस टाइम 20 साल पहले फ्रेग्रेंस ही. I said, no. Rupali, 700 pounds. Are you kidding? I'm not getting. I said, yes, baby. I sell my, instead of buying jewelry, I buy teapots and kettles. So, Ruhi, I have a commercial and I have potters and artists' kettles. I do installation and curation in my house, and sometimes I can, on a one-to-one, give you a walkthrough. Someday I want to open an exhibition around India and maybe in 2 odd places in the world, tea growing places, and have a museum in India, teapot and kettle museum, if I can. I don't know how it will happen. I don't have any access to the government because I need. So that's my passion. And now I'm doing too many things. I opened digital designing. I was into brand communication, and I have just joined on board, become a partner in a film company based out of Bombay, which is an international and national award film company, as a creative consultant and partner, called Klein Films. And I've just been called to mentor a design unit, collab therapy, and become a creative consultant to a top photographer. Suddenly, I just said, it just came knocking at my door, and I don't know what to do with it. So I'm very happy, very blessed.
This is awesome. This is awesome. Mandira, তোর turn.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আমার যখন মানে আই হ্যাভ স্টার্টেড মাই ক্যারিয়ার আফটার মাই ম্যারেজ। আমার 21 বছর বয়স, তখন আমার বিয়ে হয়ে যায়।
Hi,
দেন অ্যান্ড তারপরে কিছুদিন বাদে, অ্যান্ড আই অলওয়েজ বিলিভ যে আমাকে কিছু করতে হবে। আই ক্যান বি মানে বাড়িতে থেকে আই জাস্ট ডোন্ট ওয়ান্ট। সো আই স্টার্টেড, অ্যান্ড দেন I started my career as a interior designer, কারণ আমি কিছুদিন আমার গ্র্যাজুয়েশনের পর আমি কিছুদিন কোর্স করেছিলাম। So তারপরে I quit and I joined as a PR professional. Then after 18 years, now I have started as a home chef, and I have a Airbnb because I have a homestay at Kolkata. You know, when I have started a homestay at Kolkata, most of the people said, আরে হোমস্টে কলকাতায় হয় না, ওগুলো পাহাড়, গ্রাম, ভিলেজ এই সমস্ত জায়গায় হয়। So I said, why not? So then they said, no, the Kolkata is for hotel. There is a lot of hotel, restaurant, hotel, everything is there. So your homestay will not be, so it's not a selling point. I said, okay, because you know, in my homestay, I always love and preserve our old origin. That মানে আমার পুরনো দিনের মানে আমার ঠাকুমার বিয়ের খাট সেটা রয়েছে, and আমার ঠাকুমার শাশুড়ির বিয়ের খাট।
Wow.
And
কত বছর পুরনো? কত বছর
that is
পুরনো?
350 200 years.
Wow, wow.
My God.
And it's a beautiful bed, very comfortable.
I've seen it. Beautiful in your pictures, yeah.
Yes, and I have a sofa and I have a chairs. That's and I always, you know, when people come from all over the world, people come here and stay. এবং তাদের সঙ্গে there is a lot of experience, and they love it. They love it.
আমি যখন I'm staying with you instead of staying at hotel.
খাবার
Sure,
বানায়
sure.
মন্দিরা।
মন্দিরা তোর অনেক ফ্যাসেটস আছে, তোর রান্না, তোর শাড়ি, তোর জুয়েলারি,
হ্যাঁ।
তোর বাচ্চারা, তাদের সম্বন্ধে বল।
হ্যাঁ, নিশ্চয়ই। And আরেকটা জিনিস আমি মানে না বলে পারছি না, আমি যখন এয়ারবিএনবি আরম্ভ করি, রূপো দিদি ইজ দ্য ফার্স্ট ওয়ান। আমাকে রূপো দিদি কিন্তু পুরো 1 2 3 4 করে পুরো লিস্ট করে দিয়েছিলেন, and I did it, you know. রূপো দিদি said, মন্দিরা এইটা তুমি করতে পারো, এটা তুমি করতে পারো না, বিকজ ইউ নো তুমি যদি এগুলো করো তাহলে তোমার ইয়েগুলো বাড়বে। and I till today I always মানে আমার কাছে না ওই লিস্ট গুলো রাখা আছে, and I follow that.
Because I ran a B&B for 7 years.
Yes,
in,
yes.
And also in
And,
hospitality.
Yeah. And I had an online বুটিক, আর এই বুটিকটা আমি যখন আরম্ভ করি there is a story behind it, you know. তখন আমি as a media professional কাজ করছি, but I always love traveling, you know. আমি মাঝে মধ্যেই আমি যখন সুযোগ পেতাম আমি বিভিন্ন সময় আমি ঘুরে বেড়াতাম, and আমার একটা ড্রিম আছে যে আমি মরে যাবার আগে I love to see India, মানে ও ইন্ডিয়ার সমস্ত জায়গা আমি যাতে ঘুরে দেখতে পারি। that is my it's my dream. So এবং আমি যখন যেতাম I always want to go and stay in a homestay, because you know তুমি যদি homestay তে থাকো you can mix with people, their culture, their and I love it. And তখন এইটা করতে গিয়ে so I went to Tinchule, and Tinchule I met few people, and there is a Tinchule in Darjeeling.
আচ্ছা।
There is a Darjeeling and Kalimpong in between. There is a tourist place called Tinchule. Okay, so Tinchule te giye I have seen a school যেখানে 14 students are there, but স্টুডেন্টসরা আসে only because তারা তখন মিড ডে মিল খাবে বলে। ওকে, অ্যান্ড ওখানে 5 জন টিচার আছেন, 3 জন মেল টিচার, তারা কিন্তু টাকা পান, আর 2 জন যে ফিমেল টিচার তারা কিন্তু টাকা পান না, তারা আসেন হচ্ছে মিড ডে মিল খাবার জন্য, এবং ওই কিছু হাত খরচা পান from male teacher. So that is the scenario. So I thinking যে এবং বাচ্চাগুলো যে আসে তাদের মেন কাজ হচ্ছে খাবে এবং একটু খেলাধুলো করবে আর ওই চলে যাবে। সো দেন আই স্টার্টেড যে না এরম ভাবে তো হবে না, তো ওদেরকে তখন আমরা আরম্ভ করেছিলাম যে কিছু ওদের মেডিকেল ফেসিলিটি, বিকজ ইউ নো আমরা যখন এতে যাই মানে বেড়াতে যাই তখন আমরা খালি ওই অ্যাজ আ টুরিস্ট আমরা ওদের ওই সমস্ত গুলো দেখি, বাট ওদের কিন্তু অনেক রকম সমস্যা আছে। ওরা যখন একটু ছোট থেকে বড় হয়ে যায় দে অল অ্যাডিক্টেড উইথ লট অফ প্রবলেম, স্পেশালি ইন হেলথ। হ্যাঁ, ওরা ওই সমস্ত ওদের কাছে তো অত পয়সা থাকে না, ওই জন্য ওরা যে ড্রাগ অ্যাডিক্ট হয়ে যায় সেগুলো কিন্তু ওই বিভিন্ন রকম মানে সাংঘাতিক জিনিসপত্র দিয়ে ওরা নেশা করতে আরম্ভ করে, অ্যান্ড দে হ্যাভ আ লট অফ প্রবলেম ইন ইট। তো আমরা তখন ডিসাইড করেছিলাম, আমি এবং আমার এক কাজিন দাদা, আমরা উই হ্যাভ ডিসাইডেড যে ওদের জন্য কিছু করা যাক, কিন্তু কিছু করতে গেলে তো উই নিড মানি, রাইট? And I have then I told my dada যে can we started a NGO? He said no. তো তাহলে তোমার তুমি মানি ওরিয়েন্টেড হয়ে যাবে, তোমার আর কাজ করবার ইচ্ছা থাকবে না। So we started, I started my boutique. তো বুটিকের যে টাকাটা হতো, তো সেই বুটিকের টাকাটা আমি ওদেরকে ওদের ওয়েলবিং এর জন্য বিভিন্ন সময় অনেক মেশিন নিয়ে গিয়ে ওদেরকে মানে দিয়েছি। বা কিছু মানুষ এরকমও হয়েছেন যে একজন এখানে আমার হোমস্টেতে এসছেন, উনি শুনেছেন, সো হি ডোনেটেড 2 মেশিনস।
সুইং
তো ওদের, হ্যাঁ, সুইং মেশিন, তো ওদেরকে দিয়েছি। তো এই জন্য আর কি এইভাবে বিভিন্ন রকম কাজ করি। মানে ইটস নট দ্যাট যে আমি তোমাকে বলতে পারবো না যে হ্যাঁ মানে খুব সাংঘাতিক স্ট্রাকচার্ড হয়েছে, বাট আমি চেষ্টা করি আমার মতো করে কাজ করতে আর কি।
Well, it's little drops make an ocean, isn't it?
You're right.
Acha, tell me about lost recipes. Khabar.
Okay, lost recipes. Lost recipes, I started during the lockdown. You know, তখন homestay বন্ধ, and I always want to do something. So one day I thought, দুষ্টু told me যে আমি জানি তোমার ভীষণ পাগল পাগল লাগছে, তুমি বসে থাকতে পারো না, why don't you start cooking? তো আমি বললাম cooking, তো then I started lost recipes. তো লস্ট রেসিপিস মেইনলি ফোকাসিং অন রুনুমা, মানে ভাদুরি বাড়ি, মানে আমার বেশিরভাগ রান্না, আমার ঠাকুমাও খুব ভালো রান্না করেন, বাট করতেন আর কি, কিন্তু আমার বেশিরভাগ রান্না শেখা কিন্তু হচ্ছে আমার শ্বশুর বাড়িতে গিয়ে। সো এবং ভাদুরি বাড়ির রান্না ইজ অসম, জাস্ট অসম। পারমাসি রান্না, মানে ওদের রান্না, রুনুমার রান্না, সোনাইয়ের রান্না, you know, I'm just giving you an example. আমরা সবাই মুড়ি ঘন্ট জানি, হ্যাঁ, মুড়ি ঘন্টটা চাল দিয়ে এবং মুড়ো দিয়ে হয়। বাট তখনকার দিনে যেহেতু প্রচুর মানুষ বীররা যারা খেতেন না, মাছ মাংস খেতেন না, তাদের জন্য মোচা দিয়ে দ্য সেম থিং মুড়ি ঘন্টর মতো একটা তৈরি হয়, উইচ ইজ কল্ড মোচার চনকান্ন। ইটস নট ঘন্ট, ইটস আ চনকান্ন। মোচার চনকান্ন, মোচার চনকান্ন, you know, and that is absolutely, তুমি যদি মানে মোচার ঘন্ট is different, but মোচার চনকান্ন is different. মোচার চনকান্ন made by rice and মোচা। তো এরকম প্রচুর জিনিস আছে। তারপরে মিষ্টি, কত রকম মিষ্টি এখনো কিন্তু প্রচুর মানুষ আমার কাছে গোকুল পিঠে নিয়ে, দে আর ফ্যাসিনেটিং। তারা বলে যে আমরা এরকম গোকুল পিঠে জীবনে খাইনি। মানে
fascinating.
Yeah, San, I love it. প্রচুর
মাংসর সব রেসিপি দেবো মা, যেগুলোর
হ্যাঁ প্লিজ, আমার তাহলে খুব সুবিধা হয় আর কি। কারণ আমাকে তুমি দেখবে, আমি যখন আমার আই হ্যাভ আ পেজ ইন গিন্নিমার পাক প্রণালী ইন ফেসবুক, আমি যখন ওখানে ছবিগুলো দিই, যখন আমার ওখানে কোনো গল্প থাকে, আমি ছোট্ট ছোট্ট করে ওখানে লিখে দিই। সো আই লাভ টু শেয়ার।
তুই আমাকে আমাদের গ্রুপ চ্যাটে ওই ফেসবুকের লিংকটা পাঠিয়ে দিস। I'm sure many of us will like it. This is awesome.
I didn't know about this one, রে মন্দিরা।
হ্যাঁ,
ওটা পাঠিয়ে দিস আমাদের।
আমি পাঠাবো কালি।
This is Rupali, তোর you're on mute. Rupali is on mute.
তোর কি ইনস্টাগ্রামে আছে মন্দিরা?
হ্যাঁ আছি, ইনস্টাতে আছি।
আমি ইনস্টাতে দেখেছি তোর।
হ্যাঁ, আমি ইনস্টা ফেসবুক দুটোতেই আছি।
আচ্ছা, রুই তোর সম্পর্কে একটু বল।
You know what is go ahead, sorry.
No, Kali, you were saying.
I was saying that, you know, you try to recreate things here and you can't find Nolin Gur, right?
Yeah, correct. What did you use?
Yeah. So what we have done, what I started doing, is putting maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
Okay. And because maple syrup is indigenous here, right? Mane indigenous to even before the whites came in here. Yeah. So they used to tap the maple trees. And it is just like Nolin Gur.
Really? I have to try that.
Oh, really?
I don't put mishti, I put condensed milk. I don't put chini in my payesh. I just put a little bit of condensed milk.
Yeah.
And it makes it thicker and it's really, really good. But maple syrup, I have to try that.
And then আরেকটা করেছি, it was by mistake, but এখানে চায় বানায় না, ওরা মাসালা চায় বলে না, যেটা দিয়ে চায় হয়, I started putting vanilla and it gives একটা কিরকম টেস্ট আসে,
ভালো টেস্ট আসবে, ভালো টেস্ট আসবে। কালি, ইউ নো দ্যাট আমি তো চকলেট বানাই, ডার্ক চকলেট বানাই, তো ওখানে না আমি দেখছিলাম, আমি একটা বাইরের রেসিপি দেখছিলাম, তো দে ইউজ মেপল সিরাপ। তো এখন তুই আমাকে যখন বললি যে নোলেন গুড়ের টেস্ট হবে, তো আমি ভাবলাম যে নিশ্চয়ই ভীষণ ভালো খেতে হবে।
So you can now try Nolin Gur with dark chocolate.
Yeah, I did, and it's awesome.
That's it.
It's awesome.
We've already done Mondira's chocolate series. Nolen Gur with maple syrup.
রুই, এবার তোর সম্বন্ধে বল একটু।
হ্যাঁ, প্লিজ।
Especially the Australia chapter, we don't know.
Okay, so why we moved to Australia, I don't know. Sometimes I feel it was escapism because my business wasn't doing well. But then, I got a really good job as part of a USAID project. And while I was there, our papers came through to migrate, and we decided to go to Australia for a holiday. And we did, and we loved it. So we came for a 3-week holiday. We were at KL airport because Param was working in Madras then, and I was with the kids in Delhi. And Param tossed a coin and said, "What do you think? Do you want to come and live in Australia?" Heads, yes; tails, no, whatever. I don't remember. And then a year later we moved. And first couple of years, Rupali, like all migrants, very, very tough. No friends, no family. And then you get to meet people, I've met some awesome people, and now the girls are grown up, so I have a lot of free time. So I started doing, like you said, COVID has done so many things. Since the time I've been here, I've been a communications professional, so writing newsletters, annual reports, website content, social media, all kinds of things. And then last August, somebody contacted me and asked me if I would volunteer and write something for their group, which is called Indians in Melbourne. And I was like, yeah. Then he asked me to start speaking, and I used to have a weekly show called Gupshup with Saleha, and I enjoyed it so much that I started my own. Did a call out as to what I should call it, and Kali was the winner. So my webcast is called Chai Chat and Community, and it's for South Asians. I talk about not so discussed issues which are there, and we all know. I talk. Some of them are boring, some of them are fun, but it's basically just an awareness thing, that we know domestic violence is there, we know mental health issues are there amongst us, we know bullying is there, and yet we don't talk. And my guests are always professionals in their field, so I'm not just getting someone off their straight. So if I'm talking mental health, I'm talking to a psychiatrist, child psychiatrist for children, what do you call an adult psychiatrist for grown-ups. And it's been wonderful. And then this is pro bono, obviously. I am on the board of this not-for-profit called Indian Care. Again, pro bono work where we look after disadvantaged Indian people, like people who are over 70, who move to Australia, and then their kids grow up and the grandchildren grow up and they have nothing to do. So we try and teach them online skills. We take them out, or we did take them out before COVID happened. So basically another awareness program. And I do I'm part of another not-for-profit called Peace Meals, where we introduce refugees to established Australians, try and get them jobs, work experience. So this is it. And the writing work that I do, which is my paid work, is what supplements all the pro bono work I do, and I love it.
And how the world is small, Ruhi. Your neighbor is my high school friend.
Yes, absolutely. Same with Mondira. I got in touch with
that's
Srimoli.
right.
And then we started talking and realized Mondir and Dushtu are like her closest friends. And I'm like, oh my God.
Ruhi, do you know how we connected in Delhi? Because we are
Yeah.
connected through hospitality, through Oberoi's when you were there. I was there much later. But how did you and I connect in Delhi? Did you do? Because we spent some awesome evening reading and smoking and drinking,
Yes.
and we've done
Those
some
were
awesome
young days.
music.
I think Ma and Jhontumashi connected. I
Yeah.
think so.
And we just loved being, I mean, we've spent many evenings together. The kids
And
loved
by
being
the
with
way,
each other.
Rupali is very partial towards Param. Just by the way. Just by the way. She would go, Param, you this, and I was forgotten. But anyway, I'll let that pass.
No, listen, no, but listen, it's how the heart takes to who, right?
Uh-huh.
You are
On
anyway
this
part of the
on this
family and
very
heritage.
heartwarming note, we have to end.
I know. This was so much fun.
Yeah, you can go on and on. And it was, I think next time, Ruhi, I don't know how we couldn't get some of the Masti core cousins. If we can get them, then it will be a riot, you know. And
Shuku and
Stand
Lisa.
for us.
all I can tell you is that we love to look forward to your coming to India and meeting us now.
Hey, listen, remember, Christmas is at Budu's this year.
I haven't got any vaccine shots, so I was going.
হয়ে যাবে,
I was
এখনো
supposed
তো
to.
রয়েছে বাবা, 8 মাস রয়েছে।
Okay. Okay.
হয়ে যাবে।
Christmas at
Positive, it will
Doesn't
happen.
matter whether he knows it or not. We all meet up there. Okay. Thanks, guys. Have a good weekend.
You
Thank
too.
you
Thank
for
you.
getting us together.
Thank you too.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.